laughing at me. He was laughing at me. Look at him. Bruh, put in the balls. Put in the balls. Come on.
We good.
Hey guys.
Wagwan, my people.
Welcome back to another video. Hey, madam is sick, man.
I have some flu, bro.
Actually, even me, I got flu, but it's healed. Oh, guys, it's currently around 7 something. We're heading out to play some golf. The game's for the rich.
What are the doggos?
As you can see, I'm putting on a polo. He's putting on. It's polo.
It's a t-shirt. Balman Parish.
Araya, money. Anyway, guys, let's head out and play some golf.
Please make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, and share, please.
Yo guys, look at this curve. So, this is what we're riding in today.
Oh, this is what we're riding in. Big man thing, yeah. How with the bomb buckler, man?
Where's the seat belt?
The seat bullet.
It's a Mercedes
Benz.
So guys, as we are in Dubai, seated in this Mercedes Benz. Anyway guys, I want to tell you some of the ways you can improve your trading. One of the ways is, first of all guys, you need to set your goals straight about trading. You need to know what you want from trading, and also you need to know your main purpose of starting to trade. When you have that, that will push you to start trading. Now, there are 7 rules that I follow when I'm trading, and these are the same rules the richest Japanese day trader followed. It's called Takashi Tokugawa. This guy flipped $15,000 to more than $150 million in a space of 8 years. First step is trading one setup. Next thing is cut out everything outside your system. Cut out everything outside your system. Cut out the noise. Cut out social media. That is step number 2. Step number 3, you need to get a mentor. If you're a beginner trader and you don't know what you're doing, get a mentor. Most of you guys don't want to pay mentors to teach you, but mentors fasten your learning curve. Number 4, you need to have a trading plan and make sure to follow your trading plan. However much, despite the outcome, if it's good or bad, follow your plan, guys. Another one is you need to journal your trades. You can't be trading in the Forex market and you don't journal your trades. Like, what is the use of trading without journaling? Remember, trading is a business. Any business you have to journal. My last point is, however much, whatever happens in the Forex market, our goal should be following our trading plan on every trade that we execute, not making $100 per day or per week. Most of you guys want to have those goals. Okay, I need to make $100 per week. That is your goal. And even when you take any trade, But what if you change this to any trade that I'm going to take? My goal is to follow my plan, and that way, consistency will help you to beat everything. All these, whatever I've told you, to help you with consistency in this Forex market, guys. So let's continue with this trip. Do you have anything to tell them?
Just continue trading. Continue trading and follow your plan. You get me? Your win is around the corner.
It's golf time, guys. The rich are living life. Look at this guy. These are not athletes. These are just people enjoying, man. Yeah, because when you see the cars that are parked in here, you'll be shocked. are at the golf course right now. This is Top Golf Dubai. Yeah, she's Kenyan.
I can just tell from the accent. Top G. This is rich people's game.
Yeah?
This is not for broke people.
Hello guys, we're going to play golf right now.
Light and short.
Okay.
And the gray color is quite heavy and long. Okay. And shorter distance you can use this one, and short distance you can use this one.
Okay.
Okay. So this is all blue, this is all gray. This is heavy and long. Okay.
And somebody playing on the mat, others play here behind. And this is your ball dismissal. Yes, wave with the club, here to distribute the ball from here to any target of the sphere.
No nonsense. I chase you home. What are you doing? Okay, we are going straight. You are going.
He was laughing at me. Look at him. Bruh, put in the balls. Come on. Put in the balls. Use this one.
What is this?
Yeah, long range.
Some men have big bola, but they cannot use it.
La longa. Come on, let's go. Hold that thing. Ah!
I'm not lucky. I told you I will finish him. I told you I will finish him. Look at that. How do you feel by being useless? You have that. How does it feel to be useless? I'm still better than you. Look at the choice.
Guys, golf is not that easy. Most of you guys see people swinging, but it's not easy. Look at this guy, how he's tripping. Nigga is tripping. Let's go. Nah, come on, I'm seeing it here.
You are so lucky, boy. You are very lucky, boy. You are so lucky.
But you know the guys up there. I'm not seeing how they're throwing balls. These people up there, they're wasting time.
They're
putting the balls there.
We would reach the other building.
Almost, yeah, in.
Boom! Boom! Boom!
Ah, guys, I lost. Yaga won. Yaga, you have won, man. It's done. How does it feel?
Boom! Money is good. Money is good.
Anyway, guys, Yaga won. You know, Yaga won. Played better.
Come and show them the point. Show them.
But I already took him on my phone. He won.
Next time. My brother, at 5 years I was playing a Jolie.
Anyway.
This is more than a Jolie.
And I was playing Pepena. Anyway, guys, let's head out now to the food.
To be rich. This is a game for rich people. A game for rich people, and I beat you.
So, you want what?
I have seen snow finally. Not these things of the fridge. This is real snow now.
Guys, we're in the Mall of Emirates. This is another one. This is not Dubai Mall. This is Mall of Emirates. And guys, I've never come to this place where there is snow. This is snow right there.
Like snow, bro. Snow, man. I feel I want to enter there now.
Actually, if you came early, we would try it, you know?
But we shall try tomorrow.
Yeah. Let's do it tomorrow and see.
Oh. So,
guys, let's look for food. We're looking for Papa John's Pizza. Papa John's Pizza.
Yo, traders, just come back from Top Golf. One thing I noticed about Top Golf is the people that were there, mostly the rich people, like people are pulling up in. I saw like Brabus, the Mercedes-Benz Brabus, G63, more than 10 of them at Top Golf. I saw so many crazy cars, you know. Golf is like a game for mostly the rich people, mostly. Not mostly, it's a game for rich people. Because even just playing a Top Golf is not cheap, it's expensive, you know. Then, what can I say? Just keep on working hard, guys. Make sure to put God first and be able to live your life, like be on holiday. This holiday it's a month holiday, actually. Most of you guys have been asking, have you fully relocated? No, we're just on a holiday. I'll be relocating soon, but not so soon, yeah. But I had to pull up to the golf, putting on my polo. This is the polo. I don't know if it's a polo, I don't know. Then rocking my RM 3501. Then, yeah. Next time I pull up, I'll show you a bad car, you know? Yeah. Actually, I'm going to be renting out one of the cars soon so they can have fun also in the supercar, you know? Because most people just rent these cars. No, people don't buy cars here, guys. You rent and then you drive. Most of the traders you see, they're just toxic cars that they're rented. That is all I can tell you. Buying a car here is useless. Rent out one, do your content, and your content will even bring you more money. You know, guys, put God first, and the rest will follow. Peace. Make sure to subscribe, guys. Make sure to subscribe, please.